Welcome back to English Learning Podcast HQ. I'm very happy you are here today. This podcast is for beginners who want to speak English slowly, clearly, and with confidence. If you are learning English and sometimes feel shy or nervous, don't worry. You are not alone. In today's episode, we will learn how to talk about your hobbies in English. A hobby is something you do in your free time for fun and enjoyment. After this lesson, you will be able to talk about your hobbies in simple, natural English. Relax, take a deep breath, and let's begin. What is a hobby? A hobby is something you enjoy doing. You do not do it for money. You do it because you like it. People have hobbies after work, after school, or on the weekend. Hobbies help us relax. Hobbies make us happy. Everyone has hobbies. Let's learn together. Common hobbies. Repeat after me. Reading, writing, listening to music, watching TV, watching movies, cooking, baking, walking, running. Very good. Talking about your hobby. Repeat after me. I have a hobby. My hobby is reading. My hobbies are reading and cooking. Very nice. Free time. In my free time, I read. In my free time, I watch TV. In my free time, I listen to music. Excellent. Likes. I like reading books. I like watching movies. I enjoy cooking. I really like music. Very good. Dislikes. I don't like loud music. I don't like boring movies. I don't enjoy running. That's okay. Everyone is different. Weekend hobbies. On the weekend, I relax. On the weekend, I watch movies. On the weekend, I read books. Very nice. Social hobbies. I spend time with friends. I talk with my friends. I go out with my friends. Excellent. Active hobbies. I play football. I play cricket. I go for a walk. I like walking outside. Very good. Quiet hobbies. I read books. I listen to music. I relax at home. My hobby is calm. Beautiful. How often? I read every day. I watch TV every evening. I cook on the weekend. Excellent. Why you like it? I like reading because it is relaxing. I like music because it makes me happy. Cooking is fun. Very nice. Listening story. Now just listen. In my free time, I like reading books. I also like listening to music. On the weekend, I watch movies. Sometimes I cook food at home. My hobbies help me relax. They make me happy. Now repeat with me. I like reading books. I enjoy my hobbies. Excellent. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and speak. My hobby is. In my free time, I. On the weekend, I. Great job. Feelings. My hobby makes me happy. My hobby helps me relax. I feel calm when I do my hobby. Beautiful. Review. Today you learned how to talk about your hobbies. You learned English for real life. You are improving step by step.